Yeah, I just felt like it was the right time. How about you? I'll go where the moment takes me. It must be nice. No family, right? No.
Yummy!
The one that I know of.
Penge!
Pengi naman.
Are you all with you? No, they're with the mother. We go to sort of a backpack. I just needed to get away for a little while and just hold some space.
Anak, pero te dicho que tengas cuidado. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Anak niya.
I think it's
Anak
like you.
ng lalaki.
Yeah. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Best of luck.
Happy.
Yeah, me too.
Penge!
¿Cómo te llamas?
Think of your name.
That's a pretty name. You look about the same age as my son, Nate. Can I buy you another Coke?
No, it's okay. Thank you.
No, really, it's not bad.
Namot din yung tiyan, no?
Anak sunod.
He dicho que no.
Light yung tiyan.
Anna, I'm sorry.
Light yung tiyan, no?
Lo siento.
Yummy!
Anak siya ng pulis na lalaki.
Shh, Yummy! Penge!
Pengi. Ano po yung kinakain mo? Pengi ako. Pengi. Tayo.
Penge!
Busy yun. Bili tayong baka litid.
Namot! Ang dami mo.
Ano lang,
Thank you so much.
Dami siya magalit. Dali. Wala na! Ay, kinuha na, Papa! Dami! Ang dami mo. Nay.
Ay, kasabotin yung lalaki. Kasabot, di ba? Kita niya, di ba?
Penge!
Ito, no, kasabot.
Penge, Yummy!
Kasabotin yun, yung nag-ano.
Di ko rin makasama siya.
Kasabot yun. Okay, kanina.
Yummy!
Kasabot yun.
Yummy, Penge! Penge! Di ko rin makasama. Mamaya, para magsalita.
Pero yung lalaki yun, ano, bigla rin yun, ano lang siya, alam niya lang yung mangyayari. Pero sa kanya to,
Wala na, Papa, be. Ayaw na, be, Papa. Papa ko. Papa ko, ikaw wala na, be. Papa? Papa, gusto pa? Gusto pa, Papa, be? Gusto mo pa?
ay, nalikas
Ah!
yun. Wala pa kanina.
Oh. Papa, gusto mo pa?
Oh, what do you want?
Oh. Gusto, Papa?
That the president's been shot.
Ala ka na, Papa, be.
Look. I'm alright, alright?
Ah, akin yan.
They're fine.
Akin.
And I love them very much.
Akin tawag. Ayan, sinubulan ni Ana. Akin na.
Where's the sun?
Akin na.
Ito, tuloy na yung
Akin yan.
White. Right there. There was something in that window right there.
Penge.
Now go check it out. I'm coming with you. No. You're
Alex,
wrong.
sabog yun.
Let me take you. Sir, did you film this entire thing? Yes. You showed me. I think I got the shooter on tape.
Penge. Okay na.
Oh my God!
Yung babae naghagis.
Akin to. Nice ito.